Hello, welcome back to my channel with me KevKev, and today I'm going to continue to unbox all the Matchbox cars that I got 2 days ago. I have 15 Matchbox cars in front of me, and I will continue to unbox one by one. Okay, the first one is Polaris RZR. Okay, let's unbox this car. Let's see. I hope the car is good. It's like a tractor, but I don't know. Oh, this is the car. I never seen the car like this in any country, but is it a real car or just a fantasy car? I don't know. But it's a Polaris licensed merchandise, so this is a real car, guys. The car looks good. It has a very nice detail. As you can see here, it has a Polaris logo here. It's very detailed, and we can see the engine. We can see the engine here, and we can see the detail here. The detail is really awesome. And then as you can see here, and it has a decal here, and then as you can see here, the wheels looks like this, and it has as you can see here, it has a candy blue line colors. And then let's move to the base. It says Polaris RZR, copyright 2019, Mattel, it's made in Thailand. I think it's really good. The car is really good. Okay, let's move to another car. Okay, I will unbox this 1948 Willys Jeep, and it's official license from Jeep. And then as you can see here, it has a Jeep logo on the box. Okay, let's unbox this Matchbox car. Okay, actually this kind of car is already released in 2020. So it's the same car, but with different color. I think the last version was in brown color. If I'm not mistaken, it was a brown color, but now we have a red color. And then I think it's really awesome. The detail is really good. As you can see here, we can see the grill. The grill is really detailed. It's not painted with color, but it's really detailed. And then you can see a Willys logo here. Willys logo. I hope you can see it. Maybe I will zoom it. This is a Willys logo, and then as you can see here, the detail on the side is really awesome. It looks like this. It's really detailed. And then we have another logo here. And then let's move to the back, and we also have very detail on the back. And as you can see here, the interior is in black color. Okay, as you can see here, the wheels looks like this. It's really good with the car. And let's move to the base. As you can see here, it says Jeep Willys Chrysler LLC 2009. It's made in Thailand. Okay, let's move to another car. Okay, I will unbox this car. It's a Matchbox field car. Actually, this is a legend car from Matchbox. Actually, this is a legend casting from Matchbox. The first version was released in the 80s. If I'm not mistaken, Matchbox re-released again in 2019. So let's see the new car. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's amazing. I really like the decals, Matchbox decals. Okay, As you can see here, the detail of the car is really good, but unfortunately the headlights is not It's not painted with colors, so it's just flat like this. Okay, let's move to the side. The one that I really like is that it has a Matchbox logo here, and then the detail is really good. Okay, let's move to the back. As you can see here, it's really good detail, and then it has a sunroof. And the wheels looks like this. It's really standard Matchbox wheels, and as we can see here, it's copyright 2020 Mattel. It's made in Thailand. Okay, let's move to another car. Okay, this one. Okay, I will continue with this car. This is a 2003 Nissan 350Z, and it's official license from Nissan. Okay, let's open the box. Let's look the car. Okay, the car looks like this. I think you have already known the car because it's already released worldwide, and it's already released in Indonesia as well. So I don't need to explain everything. I just show you the preview of the car. Okay, in my opinion, the detail is not really good because as you can see here, the headlights is not painted, and then the grille is really flat. The only decals that this car have is that only on the side. So as you can see here, it has a decals like a gold line like this from this part into this part, and then it also has a line like this. The other side also have the same decal. Okay, let's move to the base, and it says Nissan 350Z, and then copyright 2003 and 2020 Mattel. It's made in Thailand. Okay, let's move to another car. Okay, I will unbox this car, 56 Jaguar XK 140 Roadster. It's official license as well from Jaguar. And okay, I will open the box. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I think you already know it. This is a 56 Jaguar XK 140 Roadster. I think you have already known the car. I think you have already known the car because it's already released in Indonesia, and it's already released in worldwide as well. So I don't need to explain all the things about this car because the car is really simple, and then it only has few details here. As you can see here, the grille, the lights, it covers with decals. We don't have any decals on the side, and then we also don't have any decals on the back of the car, and then but we have a Jaguar logo here, Jaguar logo on the plate number, and the brake lights is painted with red. Okay, as you can see here, the wheels look like this, and then let's move to the base. 1956 Jaguar XK 140 2019 Mattel. It's made in Thailand. Okay, let's move to another car. Okay, let's move to this car. It's a Ridge Rider. I think this car is already released in 2020, but I don't know. Okay, let's open the box. Let's see if the car is good or not. Okay, yes, it's already released in, I think it's already released in 2020, but with different color. But so I don't need to explain everything about this car. And as you can see here, the detail is really awesome. The decals also really good because it's so many decals on this car. As you can see here, we have a 8, we have a Growl decal, we have a Lions decal, we have a Lugo Lips decal. So let's move to the back of the car. As you can see here, it has a really good detail, and then the wheels looks like this. Okay, let's move to the base. It says Rich Rider and copyright Mattel 2005, and it's made in Thailand. Okay, let's move to another car. Okay, I will unbox this car. Okay, I will unbox this car. It's a Chow Mobile 2, and let's go. I will unbox the box. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, this is a food truck. Oh, the detail is really good. Okay, let's review the car. As you can see here, the detail of this car is really awesome, but unfortunately the headlights, the grill is not painted, and then the windshield is in yellow color, and as you can see here. And let's move to the side of the car. As you can see here, it's really awesome because there are so many decals here, there are so many texts here. As you can see here, it says bakery, maybe it's bakery bakery, Daily New Mexican Bakery, fresh treats 100%. Okay, this is the menu, and then okay, let's move to the back of the car. As you can see here, it has very good detail, but unfortunately it's not painted with color. That's why it looks like soft, because there is no color that is painted on this back of the car. Okay, let's move to another side. As you can see here, this is a food truck that sell a Mexican food. So you can see all the food on this side, and then you can see the menu on this side. So it's really, I think the car is really awesome because it's in really great detail, and I will rate it 10 out of 10 because it's really good detail. It's really good, it's really awesome. The one that I don't really like is that the base is made from die cast, but the body of the car is made from plastic. And okay, let's move to the base. It says Chow Mobile 2 and copyright 2020 Mattel, and it's made in Thailand. Okay, let's move to another car. This is a 2016 Ram flatbed. I think this car also already released in 2020. So I think I don't need to explain more about this car because I think you have already known it. The car, I think you have already known it. So I don't need to explain everything. See, see. The only differences is that the color is different, and then the decal is different, and then the color of this part is really different, but it's the same car like the one that released in 2020. Okay, let's move to the base. It's copyright 2018 Mattel. It's made in Thailand. Okay, let's move to another car. Okay, this one. This is a Matchbox self-driving bus. I don't know, is it a fantasy car or is it a real car? But I never seen this car in any country in the world. See, as you can see here, see, it's just plastic. Oh my god, Matchbox, come on. As you can see here, the body is made from plastic, but you can see all the decals here and on the side as well. The wheels looks like this. It's really very standard. And okay, let's move to the base. As you can see here, the base is made from metal, but it's not too heavy, and it says copyright 2019 Mattel, and it's made in Thailand. Ooh. Okay, let's move to another car. Let's open the express delivery. Okay, I will open this one. Ooh, another plastic car. Okay, I think the car is the same like the one that I have review before. This car, yep. Is it different or the same? I think it's the same. It's the same car, but with different colors and different decals. And I think I don't need to explain everything about this car. I just need to explain some couple things, especially on the decals. The decals, it says AMP. It's a recording sound lab, custom digital electronic installations 440. So I think this car is from electronic store. I think this car is about electronic store. So the car looks like this, and the window is in orange color, and the sunroof also is in orange color, and the wheels looks like this. And let's move to the base. It says express delivery, copyright 2014 and 2020, Mattel. It's made in Thailand. Yep, it is the same car like the one that I have reviewed before. This one, see, it's the same car. Okay, let's move to another car. So five more car. So I need to open this one. It's 2020 Audi TT RS Coupe. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, ooh, this is a sport car, and as you can see here, the shape is really awesome. Ooh. It's really cool car. Okay, I will zoom it because the car is too small, so I need to zoom it. And as you can see here, the grill is not painted. It's a casting from the body. As you can see here, the headlight is a decal, and it has an Audi logo here, and there is no other decals on the side of the car, but we have a door handle here, and we have side mirrors here. And let's move to the back of the car. As you can see here, this is all decals. It's not painted, it's all decals. The brake light is decals, the Audi logo is also a decal, and this one as well. I think the car is really good because okay, let's move to another car. I will open 2018 Dodge Charger. Whoa, Dodge is a Dodge Charger, guys. Let's open the box. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Ooh. It's a cool car. Oh, okay, let's review this car. The detail is not really good, but I think it's enough because the grille is not a decal, but the headlight is a decal. And as you can see here, it has a door handle, it has side mirrors. And let's move to the back of the car. Whoa, this is all decals, guys. This is all decals. The brake lights, the logo, the Dodge logo, and then the plate number is also a decal. So but there is no other decals on the side of the car. But it's really simple car, it's really simple color, it's really simple theme, but I think it's really good car. And then the wheels look like this. Is really sport car wheels. And let's move to the base. It says 2018 Dodge Charger, and it's made in Thailand, copyright 2018 Mattel. Okay, this one really good car. And okay, let's move to another car. So it's a 1962 Plymouth Savoy. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, as you can see here, woo, the best. You know, Matchbox never failed create a classic car. You can see this classic car, as you can see here. As you can see here, this is really classic. This is really awesome. This is really exclusive car. Okay, let's see from this part. Unfortunately, the headlights is not painted or is not covered with decals. But I think, yeah, I think it's enough because it really detailed in this part. But there is no logo in this part, and we don't have any decals on the side of the car. But as you can see here, there is a line here from this part until in the middle of the door, and then the line continues from here and to here. Okay, as you can see here, it has a door handles, but we don't have side mirrors here. We don't have side mirrors in this car. As you can see here, it has brake lights and it's painted with red, and the plate number is covered with decal. The wheels look like this. It's really good. It's really classic wheel. And let's move to the base. It says 62 Plymouth Savoy, and it's 2020 Mattel. It's made in Thailand. Okay. Ooh, it's really awesome. Woo. Okay, I know you wait me to open this car, and okay, I will open this car. It's a 2018 Bugatti Divo, and okay, let's open the box. Oh, it's a different version from the last one. It's really different version from the last one. I think I need to see the last version of the Bugatti Divo, because I think it's different. The color of the body, this is a really black. This is a really real black, but the last one, the last version is not too black like this. It's a little bit dark gray. Okay, let's see. Let's review this part. This part is the same like the last one, the previous version, and the headlights are like this. As you can see here, the base is gray, and it's painted with blue. I think it's painted with blue, but I don't know. It's a different part, or it's the base that painted with blue. As you can see here, the interior of this car is in blue color, so it's really I think it's really awesome, but I don't like it. Actually, I don't like it about this color, the baby blue color. And okay, let's move to the back of the car. As you can see here, the brake light is covered with decal, and the logo of Divo, it's also made from decal. And this is the car. Okay, I think you already know it. It's a Bugatti Divo. Okay, let's move to another car. Okay, this is the last one, guys. This is a 62 Volkswagen Beetle, and it's in green color. And okay, let's open the box. Ooh. Oh. I think you have already known the car because it's already released in Indonesia, but it's in blister version. Volkswagen Beetle. It's Volkswagen Beetle, so I don't need to explain everything about this car. But I think you have already known Volkswagen Beetle, so I don't need to explain everything about this car. So I just need to explain the decals on the side of the car. It's a taxi, guys. It's a taxi. It's a taxi, and we have the taxi number, and we have a bird logo here, and we have a Volkswagen logo here, and on the other side it has the same decal. And what else? It's in green color. I think, yeah, I don't need to explain everything about Volkswagen Beetle. So let's move to the wheels. The wheels look like this. I really like these wheels because when a Matchbox put this wheel on the car, it looks like really classic. It's really classic and really awesome. And okay, let's move to the base. The base is in yellow color, and it says it's made in Thailand, and it's copyright 1978 and 2017 Mattel. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, that's all the cars that I have today, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and then share my video, and thank you for watching. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Okay.